my new arbor press. I just picked it up last night and I'm just getting it unloaded. I believe, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Greenerd number 4. Anyway, I bought a Wilton drill press from the gentleman a few weeks ago, and I spotted it in the back of the shop, and he said that he would be interested in getting rid of it. And it took a few weeks before we finally, he got back with me with a price, and I thought it was a fair price. It does need a repair right here. Apparently one time it had some side load, so I will have to machine a piece that can be brazed in. He's been using it that way for over 10 years. But anyway, I think it'll make a very, very cool little press.